Thinking about selling your home? Here's something you may want to hear before you spend thousands of dollars on renovations. A recent article from Florida Realtors highlights a point I think many homeowners need to hear. You may not need to completely renovate your home before putting it on the market. In fact, replacing dated appliances, flooring, countertops, or fixtures simply because they're not the latest trend could mean spending money on improvements that don't necessarily deliver the return you expect. And when it comes to larger projects like a kitchen or bathroom remodel, the costs can add up quickly. The key is understanding the difference between renovating for yourself and preparing strategically to sell. As a listing advisor, I look at your home through the eyes of today's buyer. Is it clean? Is it well maintained? Are there obvious issues that could distract buyers or create concerns during an inspection? And perhaps most importantly, how does your home compare with the other properties buyers are considering? Sometimes the smartest strategy isn't a major renovation. It may simply be professional preparation, thoughtful staging, selective improvements, and presenting the home in a way that highlights its unique strengths, especially in the luxury market. Every property and every seller deserves a customized strategy. Before you invest tens of thousands of dollars renovating your home, let's talk. I'll help you determine what truly needs to be done, what doesn't, and where your investment is most likely to make a difference. Because the goal isn't to spend the most money preparing your home, it's to make the smartest investment to achieve the best possible result. Contact me today to discover what your smartest pre listing investment will look like for your home.